$900 GTI. It leaks coolant. Not for long.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Junk. Round 2 on the search for a transmission. This car's only been in here for 4 days. I don't know what happened to it, so I'm a little worried, but it's got a manual trans and everything is there. If this transmission is also bad, I'm gonna cry.
Saying drugs are bad.
Pretty considerable size difference.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Third transmission we pulled. First one was bad. Second one was a 6-speed, not a 5-speed. And now the third one is out of a 1.8T. And the only difference is bell housings. So we got to swap these bell housings and it should work. This transmission's 100% good. We will check the fluid. It looked brand new. So hopefully it's good. We will find out. Gotta clean it first though. Let's go. Woo! Backstory on the car. So essentially we saw it on Marketplace for $1,000, like no information on it. The hood wasn't on, windshield's cracked. We show up, the guy who had it, he essentially bought it from a coworker and wanted to do like a project car out of it and then didn't put the hood down or something. The hood flew up, cracked the windshield. He said that he replaced an axle and then he just let it sit, and then yeah, it needed a lot of little things. He really didn't know a whole lot about the car. But it ran and drove, and it made a lot of noises. And I offered him $800. He said he would take $900. We just went, did the deal, and then drove it back. $900 VR6 GTI running, driving, pretty sweet. We got the hood for $50 at the junkyard, ground it down, and did the whole rusted look with a can of clear coat we bought for $4. And then we wet sanded the headlights down and clear coated those two. We got the windshield replaced for $120 on OfferUp, and yeah, now we just got to make it run and drive good, and then it will be awesome. All right, we really didn't film much about installing it, but it's in there. It's completely rebuilt. It's got synchro mesh in it. We got everything hooked up that we think we got, so we're gonna see if we pick up the transmission. So.
I was making a weird noise.
Still making a little weird noise. It feels good though. Let's see. Oh yeah, she feels good. See if she falls apart after the first rip. She went backwards, she's going forwards. Oh dude, it feels so good now. It feels smooth. Let's see. Oh yeah, the power is like way better than before. Before it used to like be scary. It would kind of just pull all over the place. Now I feel like it's straight. She's hurting a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She handled a launch. I'm pretty sure she's a bitch.